So using GS1 standards is really critical for the construction sector because it's a unique identification for products, places, assets, but in particular we're talking around the product sector, I think. And at the moment we don't have a standard that's being used. Majority of manufacturers are actually already using GS1 standards because it's used for point of sale, but also it's used for traceability. I mean, one of the key things that we need from industry is to, regulate something. So we need to have some kind of more drive and more decision about how are we looking at our products moving forward, especially in construction. We already have this in place within retail, within marketplaces, a number of different organisations, and healthcare currently use Scan for Safety, and that's using GS1 standards in the healthcare industry in the UK. But this is global. We're talking about using these standards globally, and it's something from a construction perspective. What can we do? It's just driving that momentum, having that influence, and actually getting all behind and collaborating and working together. Now, we've been talking about it for a number of years, but we actually have something that's in place, and it's already been used by others, so we need to consider, let's not reinvent the wheel, let's use this. So QR codes, hot topic. Everybody always talks about QR codes, and everybody can make QR codes. You can make QR codes on Google Sheets, but a GS1 QR code is a standard. So it's actually having that standard inside it, and it's embedding that unique identification key, which can also have further product data information. So it's around having serialization, batching, and potentially expiry. This has already been used in retail, and this is what we're doing. And then also with GS1 standards, we can then enhance that by adding in an open source resolver, which can then give you further data and having that product information, certification information, and anything else that might be needed. So there's a wealth of opportunity that we can use with using a GS1 standard QR code.